Okay, now when it comes to phones charging, some may argue that the phone will get charged quickly while the phone is switched off when compared to charging a phone while it is switched on. I wasn't really sure whether this is true. So I thought, why not test it and make a video on it and share with you guys whether the phone will charge faster when it is switched on or when it is switched off. So here is the demonstration. I've got the Galaxy S23 Ultra completely drained out here. It is at 0% battery. I'm going to use a 25 watt Samsung PD charger to charge this phone, and I'm going to start the timer here. As you can see, the phone is at 0%. I will plug in the charger and start the timer. Let's see how long it's going to take. Now the room temperature is about 28-29 degrees Celsius, so the charging speed might take longer than expected. The S23 Ultra has a 5000 mAh battery, and on an average it takes about 1 hour 15 minutes or 1 hour 20 minutes to fully charge this device using a 25 watt charger. Now as you can see, at about 15 minutes mark, 23% has been charged. At around half an hour mark, it is at around 43%. It reached 50% at 39 minutes. It actually took longer than expected, as I mentioned earlier, maybe because of the room temperature here. It reached 93% at about 1 hour 22 minutes mark, 95% at 1 hour 26 minutes, and finally it reached 100% at 1 hour 40 minutes. So this is the time it took to charge a 5000 mAh battery on the Galaxy S23 Ultra while the phone is switched off. After this test, I turned on the phone. I used the phone the entire day and tried to kill the battery within a day's time. It was really hard to kill it. Now the next day I did the same test again, but this time when the phone is turned on. Again, the room temperature was similar. I plugged in the charger and turned on the phone. Here you can see it is saying super fast charger connected. It's going to take 1 hour 14 minutes until full charge. But this is just an estimated time. Let's see how long it's going to take the same 5000 mAh battery on the S23 Ultra when the phone is on. As you can see, around 5 minutes it was at 4%. At 10 minutes, it charged about 11%. At 15 minute mark, 19%. Reached 38% at about half an hour mark. 1 hour passed by, the phone was at 71%. Now you can see 1 hour 22 minutes, it has reached 94%. Obviously from 94-95% to 100% it takes longer time, but not as long as the iPhones do. Now you can see the phone has finally reached 100% at 1 hour 37 minutes mark. This is the time it took for the phone to fully charge while the phone is turned on. Now this is definitely surprising. It was in the same conditions, same charger being used, same room temperature on both the days. The phone took 1 hour 40 minutes to completely charge the battery while the phone is switched off, and it took about 1 hour 37 minutes, which is 3 minutes lesser, to fully charge the same battery. This is definitely surprising results here. However, I would not say this is going to be the same case every time you charge the phone. I have tested this just once. Probably we may get different results when we test it multiple times, but it's going to be too time consuming for me to do that. So what I request you guys to do is test this out yourself. It doesn't matter which phone you're using. Charge your phone from 0 to 100 while it is switched off, and also test it while the phone is switched on, and compare the results, and you can share the results in the comments section below. I'm sure it's going to take some time for you guys to do that, but if you're interested and keen to know, you can test it out and share the results in the comments section. That might benefit the community here. Now if you ask me, I never switch off the phone and charge it. I start charging the phone and turn it on. But if you still think that it is going to charge faster when it is switched off, go ahead, test it out yourself and let me know the results. That's all I want to share with you guys. I hope you have already subscribed to the channel. If you haven't done it already, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and give this video a like. That's about it. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.